CCTV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kaseng Kongres kalapan pa baka Mynjur lang ya ka Jingai Jingkynthoh da ka expert committee Halor ka state reservation policy. Hadian bakala IT ya ka kaipot ka basaw hajar sla siya ka sorkar jala. Ka sorkar kalathung ya ka expert committee Halor ka state reservation policy. Hadian bakala mi ka jingdawa na kipajba ban pankalano ya ka bha thungkam ka bala sanpos nam hapadeng ki khasi jaintia bat garo. Ha kajiakaran bat kilat pathai khubor u commissioner and secretary u ba Cyril VD Dengdo ulong ba kajiakaran hapo kajialang jong ki Saiñ pathai ki badan hapo kajala kala long ka basaiso namar ba ki pedang ya kajinga jingmod jong ka committee u secretary ka Saiñ Congress u ba Manuel Badwar ulong ba kajing pedang jong ka party ka long ban pedru na kaliang jong ka syongsuk syongsan ha ka imlang ka salang.
So as you are aware, the report of the expert committee on the state reservation policy was tabled in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly on the 18th of February 2026. During the course of those proceedings, Honorable CM had made a statement in the House that all the political parties will be called to seek their views and consultations and to present basically the findings of the report. As you know, this report has already been tabled in the House. It has been given to all the members of the Legislative Assembly. And today we had presented the main findings of the Committee on the Reservation Policy to all the political parties. And Honorable CM has also directed us to give all these political parties a copy of this report. As you know, it's a voluminous report, 21 volumes, almost 4,000 pages. So the findings and the main recommendations of the committee were presented to the political parties, and we had a discussion on the same.
So, what is the view of the majority of the political parties?
It would not be correct for me to talk about their views. I think it's good if you ask them their own views. But the majority of the political parties looked at the presentation and there was no major disagreement with what the committee has found in the report. I don't want to go to the details of the report. It's a very lengthy report, but the recommendations are there. I think it's already been shared with the press. All of you know the recommendations. So they appreciated the fact that the government has called them, as Honorable Chief Minister had said that this will happen. And Honorable CM also directed that copies of this report should be given to all of them, and if required, further consultations will be held with others.
The status quo, everybody agreed. So, will there be any further meetings of party, or this is the first and last?
All the political parties attended, except one. So, I don't think there is a need for any other meeting. Some political parties may also give further suggestions after they go through the report. So, we have requested them to go through the report in detail. It's a voluminous report. We have presented, obviously, in 1 hour time. You can present any the main issues, the legal position, the constitutional position, since a lot of the issues dealt with a constitutional law issue or the legal issue. And these were presented to the political parties, and all of them greatly appreciated the fact that the government had called them and we had made this presentation to the political parties.
So, VPP fought for review of reservation policy, and the report is ready. Why they did not attend?
So they gave in writing that they will not be able to attend, but you should ask them. They of course informed us that they will not be attending. We had invited all the political parties, but as to why they didn't attend, I think that question you have to ask them.
Songknor uday ladi UCM dan ni ring semua bakal di responsibility jungi bangin wan baru kali parti di wan lot untuk meeting mentandu akhirnya nomor bakadi ke topik pak kamu sensitif dai reservations mentak lakang dari 1972 dia kalau apalah sat posnem dia ka findings jong tu ka report jong kiru ka apalah di 1,000 page dai 1,000 selang they untuk findings yang discuss tentang labun hi nama labun ki data ki bal long very sensitive ki data ki bang isno ba kadai hi nakaliang nak syuong nakaliang ga imlang salang kan ngimdei ban yaki ado kata-kata nama ba katuga expert committee ha bakala ai ki recommendations babon hi ni recommendations nang tu ngala ban hadu 80% ni agree ke recommendations but let's say kadi banya hi tu nama ka imlang salang ka jingsuk ka mah kasuk kasanya bo sedang hal kadi ban yai ne hi kidan ki ba let's say ki kamlong detail hinjat ba kila recommend na po katu recommendation na expert committee kitur kila ong hi bakinya checkmat kinshim kinya kata berkom tingi shu kubur lang ay kata bang snow ba ngiru ngide banya kata kan him dai ban mo shu ki lumari ki snow ka thau ma tang ban shu pensyong shit ke dai snow ba nakaliang sarkar kata ki shim kya hi ni pada nakaliang da administration bu shim kya hi ni nang ni chakpan ni sai pek kin recommendation kala pala di 1,000 page kumno kanya checkmat kin sedang kinang frame hi menta ndai bakyong kila hard code yang tu kila decide de makiru kinang kwa bani discuss ndai makia bam de commit ko ni ka ide ni ini niang ke kata bam de bam de ndai berjuang na dakakin parang in all earnest nakaliang sarkar ni iba kesem kya bhai ni kani pangi kiti ban ai ki kata kajing ro lihat namal bangi sutu ba bade nam ta masalah jopa ni
Hey, up! Ruko! Shwa ba finshet da ka jo shi ka jo ko umpiang balapin don kam. Up shwa, namar ka ne ka kta ya ka kot ka kya jong fi pat kamariang rukum jo. Da ka ba shet da ka ne ka umpiang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry, pim day pat bante siya nala ne bantang pendono. Henry, Bynta ka Ruko ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban penkala ya kane ko umpnyang siya ka biodiesel. Tinamar kata limba ka Ruko kakot kakya pat kamaryang rukan umktasyo.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.